everybody, welcome back. This is another series I'm doing. Today we're doing a Puch Magnum. This one needs a lot of work. A lot of parts of it are pretty rusty. The engine is seized, so we got to fully rebuild that. We're going to do new forks, new shocks, pretty much new everything besides the tank and the seat. So I hope you can stick around and watch this one come back to life. Alright, my first shipment from Treats showed up. These are all the parts for the Magnum. Hopefully I didn't forget anything, but a lot of times when you're working on a bike, you'll find something else that you did forget. Treats is the best company there is. FA50 clone carb. I did not order this. I didn't order that much because I have a lot of parts for this. But first thing up, we did order a new crankshaft because we're doing a full engine rebuild. I also ordered a new Aerosol 70cc kit because we're going to kit this bike out. New EBR forks with a brace because you need a brace with EBR forks. These are the maxi length because we are going to make this a mini mag. All new cables and cable ends. New inner tubes. Alright, be sure to check your shipping material because sometimes they hide stuff in it. Alright. Got some really cool bars. I didn't used to like these, but I put these on a couple Magnums and I love these mini bars. I think they're not too low and they're not too high. They're just right. These are my absolute favorite tires. They're V Rubber VRM 359s. Nobody else is riding these, but for some reason I absolutely love them. It's a super round profile. They have a lot of grip. They're pretty inexpensive and they last a really long time. I think these are one of the best bang for your bucks, but I hope you don't all buy them because these are my favorite and I want to keep buying them. We got new shocks for it as well. The original shocks are pretty toast, so we got new ones for it. I think there's a 310mm, so they're a little bit lower than a Magnum, but they're a little bit taller than a Maxi, so it gives it a really good ride height. Once you know you have everything out of the box, throw it away. I also got all new seals and bearings. Oh, I also got new seals and bearings because we're going to rebuild the engine. We'll also be doing black powder coated 5 stars and an MLM exhaust pipe on this build. Please stick around and stay tuned for the rest of the series.